Hi, and welcome back to this video tutorial. In this video, you'll learn about how to optimize your Instagram posts to engage with your audience. By the end of this module, you'll learn how to structure your Instagram posts, create content with value, and what effective tools there are to help manage your posts. A good Instagram post is more than just snapping a photo, applying a filter, and posting it to your newsfeed. To create an engaging Instagram post, it needs to be crafted and consistent with your brand values and core identity. For example, if you're selling a coffee-related product, you can consider uploading profile shots of the different types of beans, and for each, the unique taste, color, and texture. You could also upload shots of the different types of coffee beverages like a latte, a cappuccino, a chocolate mocha, an espresso, and even various coffee art. Take it one step further by bringing your audience on a journey where you tell them your brand story through the photo caption. Continuing with the coffee example, it would be the story of the origins of the coffee from bean to cup. Here you can take Instagram photos of the process of harvesting a coffee tree, its export, and right up to the barista serving the cup of coffee. Why this is interesting and engaging is because it offers a one-of-a-kind, behind-the-scenes journey for your audience. It's a journey that they can take from the comforts and convenience of their mobile phone. There are peak times to post, and scheduling apps and tools make it much easier. The first one would be Schedugram. It offers a free 7-day trial, and plans start at $20. Schedugram is a great scheduling tool that allows you to upload single or multiple images at once, and you can choose bulk video if you're uploading video. Also, you're able to edit the images with different filters and post them either immediately or schedule them for a later time. You also have the option to receive an email notification once your content has been posted. The best thing about Schedugram is that it automates every pre-scheduled post and then posts them on your behalf. You don't have to worry about not receiving any reminder because Schedugram manages it for you. Next is Hootsuite. Many businesses and marketers are already using Hootsuite to manage their social media activity. Hootsuite's Instagram account management options allow you to schedule posts via the Hootsuite mobile app. You can cross-post the same content on other social media sites like Facebook or Twitter. Hootsuite allows you to upload content and schedule it for multiple platforms at once. It's a great tool to consider if you're looking for a more inclusive, all-in-one management dashboard for multiple social media sites. The best time to post on Instagram is between 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Monday through Friday, according to Hootsuite Analytics. And though there are no hard and fast rules on the best time to post, it's recommended that you test it out and track your audience's responses.